Ukertong ke National People's Party NPP Dr. DR Nonglait ulapan pau ya kajing Sngewshngaiñ bo unjob ya ka election da ka baong ba kajing alap election hakkeleng kapan i ya kajing kershan ka ba Shiteng na kipat ba habakran berkilat patai Khubor ulaya thu ba ha kajing det yalap election ka ba layat mentala kumbasan hadun riu benai kalong ka ba ajing kermen bah namar 4 GO i ya kajing kershan ka ba jur na kipat ba Kumpan syukudo hang ni u Dr. Nonglait uday uwe na kikertong ba ay reng hakani ke election Shiteng Samoi na lor u kertong ka VPP, Congress, UDP bat kiwe.
And I keep my pace slow and steady, but the response is quite positive, and I hope we will achieve the goals. And with the support of the people, I don't have any doubt that we will come out successfully.
Between like professionals.
There is no such battle as you have said, like professional. This is election, and everyone can join the fray, be he or she a teacher, an administrator, or anyone. It is always challenging. I should not take it lightly, but then I'm sure that we will come out successfully.